Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Chevrolet Camaro step by step. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust it so your feet can easily reach the pedals and your hands comfortably grip the steering wheel. Next, set your side and rearview mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Take a moment to locate essential controls like headlights, wipers, and the gear shifter. Finally, always buckle up before you even think about starting the engine. Safety first. Now let's talk about getting moving. If your Camaro has an automatic transmission, simply press the brake pedal, move the shifter to drive, and gently release the brake. For a manual transmission, it's a bit more involved. Press the clutch pedal all the way down, select first gear, then slowly release the clutch while simultaneously applying light pressure to the accelerator. This takes practice to master a smooth start. Steering a Camaro is precise, so keep both hands on the wheel, ideally at the 10 and 2 o'clock positions. When approaching a turn, slow down before you enter it, then gently accelerate as you exit. For braking, apply steady, increasing pressure to the pedal for a smooth stop. Avoid slamming on the brakes unless it's an emergency. Practice makes perfect for smooth, controlled driving. To truly enjoy your Camaro, explore its performance features like paddle shifters if you have them. They offer a more dynamic driving feel. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car in top shape. Check your tire pressure weekly and keep an eye on fluid levels. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.